A partnership coming to the Adult Probation Building means healthcare in Old Town Yuma. What's in a name? Well, changing a local court name will hopefully help clear up confusion. And a special profile on the Treasurer's Office. These stories and more, this is your County Line. What's in a name? Well, it can be a lot of confusion if you're one of the justice courts in Yuma County. Back in 2010, Yuma County Justice Court Precinct 2 moved into the same building as the City of Somerton Municipal Court. So it seemed fitting that people called it the Somerton Justice Court, even though officially it was the Somerton San Luis Justice Court. A little confusing, right? Well, that same court was relocated to the city of San Luis, which added to the confusion to those trying to find the court. So recently, Judge Juan Guerrero adopted a new name change that is designed to help take out the confusion. The South County Justice Court has been officially declared.
Since our geographical location and our precinct composes South County, so we decided to change it to South County Justice Court. And I believe the first day, I think, was the 5th of January. By the 6th, we've had numerous calls from people thanking us that the change had happened, yes.
The newly named South County Justice Court is located at 1359 East Liberty Street in San Luis. A big change in accessibility to health care in Old Town Yuma, thanks to a recent partnership the Board of Supervisors paved the way for during the last regular session. When it comes to the adult probation business, a lot of staff time is spent helping connect probationers to services they may need to further their success outside the criminal justice system and our local jail. Often this means probationers need to see a doctor, have medicines prescribed, or even see a counselor. Far too often, someone on probation doesn't have transportation or the means to get very far to get help. So after months of planning, the Yuma County Board of Supervisors solicited bids for a company to lease half of the first floor of the adult probation building for a full-service clinic that will provide medical, psychological, and behavioral health services. The award went to Community Health Associates, and meetings are underway to have health care across the hall from adult probation.
Whenever we have the opportunity to remove barriers to care, meaning that if they come to this building, they can work on any and all of those in one stop, instead of having to break up multiple parts of the day or multiple days of the week or sometimes multiple weeks of the month. We can help consolidate that, make it more easily accessible and attainable, and we think by removing those barriers, we should have folks be able to stay more consistently engaged in their care.
Over the next few months, adult probation, community health associates, and Simpatico Integrated Care will be working together on the design of the spaces, along with the expectations of service. Although justice involved individuals, probationers and parolees and their family members are the primary targeted populations, services are available to members of the general public. Yuma was one of 6 sites in Arizona awarded by the Arizona Health Care Cost Containment System through federal grant funding to specifically co-locate these services in close proximity to each other. Yuma County is the only location able to do so within the same building. Stay tuned, we expect to hear about a grand opening in May, and we'll be sure to be there for you. If you think about a treasurer, most likely what comes to mind is someone that holds the funds, collects taxes. And while that is partially true, there's a lot more going on at the Yuma County Treasurer's Office.
Yuma County Treasurer's Office acts as the bank for the county. Our main goal is to collect property taxes that are billed from the authorities that are listed on your tax bill. Each authority has their own board that votes on their budget, and they work calculations with the assessor's office, and then those numbers feed into our office that go onto your bill. We mail them out in September. They are due December 31st of that year. Or you could break up a payment into two separate payments, and the first half payment is due November 1st, and the second half payment is due the following May into the next year, May 1st. We have an online portal, so you can pay your taxes online. You can mail us a check. We have an email notice, so if you get your bill through an email, there's a nice little link for you to pay through that link. You can also pay through bill pay with your bank, and of course you can always come into our office and we can take your payment over the counter. We collect taxes for all of the cities in the county, and we disperse all of those collections. We also take care of grant money that comes in from the federal government or state. When a property tax bill is not paid on time, what happens is it goes through a delinquency period. We have to take that bill to a public auction. Those bills will get paid by investors so that all of the entities can function and can continue their budget. The treasurer's office simply collects the tax that has been determined by the calculations from the county assessor and all of the authorities, the cities and the school districts for their budgets, and then we collect those dollars and then distribute them accordingly.
And don't forget, there's a lot you can do on our website without having to call the treasurer's office, like paying taxes. Just navigate to yumacountyaz.gov and locate the treasurer's page under Government.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and this is your Health Watch. There are many benefits to being physically active. Engaging in regular physical activity have been proven to boost energy, improve mood, prevent the onset of many diseases, and help improve management of chronic conditions. The Yuma County Public Health Services District would like to share the following tips to help you get started. Start slow and build up. Aim for at least 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes per week of vigorous exercise. Make it a family affair. Take the dog for a walk or head out for a family bike ride. Drop in on a class. Your local gym, school, and parks and recreational department offer a variety of classes for all fitness levels and interests. Enjoy the outdoors. Contact your local parks and recreational department or visit their website to learn about the many bike trails and walking paths available throughout Yuma County. For more information and tips on staying active, please call Yuma County Public Health Services District Health Promotion Division at 928-317-4550. That is all for now. Until next time, stay healthy, Yuma.
If you did any shopping on Black Friday, there's a good chance you did it online. That's the trend being seen across the nation. On a day that we associate with crowds at the mall, the country is now seeing that more people are at home in their pajamas, beating the rush. Your county government offers you deals online as well. You may not know you can purchase lots of things from your county government through our online auction site. It's loaded with equipment we no longer use, like cars and trucks, laptops and printers. You name it, we have it for sale. Currently, the auction is closed, but mark your calendars as the Yuma County Surplus Auction Site will be conducted March 16th to March 30th. This auction process ensures that the county extracts the most possible value from its resources and helps to keep materials out of landfills. The money collected from the online auctions goes back into our general fund. You can find out more about the Yuma County online auction by visiting yumacountyaz.gov/surplus auction. As we close, a reminder for those of you that might still have some Christmas spirit around the house. The Yuma County Public Works Department's tree recycling program is still going on. If you still happen to have your tree but don't know what to do with it, you can recycle it by taking it to the North Gila Valley Transfer Site. They will continue accepting trees until Wednesday, January 31st from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. 7 days a week. Need more information about recycling your tree? Just call 341-2500. We'd like to thank you for joining us for this County Line. If you'd like to watch past episodes, log on to yumacountyaz.gov/VOD. And don't forget, you can join us live on Facebook. We'll see you next time.